My name is Eric Ben Mayor. I'm the Business Development Manager of AB Dental. AB Dental is a global manufacturer and R&D company which sells its product all around the world.
I'm Dr. Stan Brody, and I'm the head of the implant planning service for AB Guided Service at AB Dental Implants. At one time, surgical guides were used that were just made by a dental technician, a manual process, and they were a far cry from what we're doing today, which is a digital surgical guide which is produced digitally from a computer planning of each case.
We're actually doing a combined system which provides the dentist a software that helps him to plan the dental implants, helps him to save time, reduces the risks of work, and on the other hand, we are combining it with an object 3D printer which we actually are able to print our guides. And in total we are delivering a whole package which enables the dentist to provide an easier and more effective service to his customer.
When AB Guided decided to buy a 3D printer, there was no question in my mind that we were going to buy an object printer, because object is considered the state of the art for this type of dental use. We're looking for a machine that's reliable, that's easy to use, and is very, very accurate, because we're using something that's going to be used in somebody's mouth to place implants, to drill through the guide for implants. So for us, precision is a must. The other huge advantage of Object is that they have this biocompatible material which is transparent, and the transparency, the translucency in the mouth is critical. It allows the dentist to see the tissues and give an idea of what's going on underneath the guide. This is our object printer, and it fits very conveniently in an office environment in the AB Guided World Centre. It doesn't take up a lot of space, it doesn't make up a lot of noise, there's no dirt, it's a very clean process. I'll never forget the first time that I saw this technology in action. It was just amazing to me to be able to send a file from my computer to a machine like this, and it produces an actual physical model. It's just incredible. You know, from somebody who's been working in the dental field for many years and is used to seeing the conventional production process of a dental laboratory, this is just a quantum leap forward. It's something like going from a carrier pigeon to using a cell phone. It's that advance in technology. And I'm never ceased to amaze to see the model appearing as if from nothing on an object machine. And because I've been using this technology for many years, I have confidence, and I know that what we plan on the computer, what the dentist wants and agrees to in his treatment planning, is what is produced in the 3D model. There's no scope for error or mistakes here. It's a completely digital process. Our customers, the end user of this technology, who is the dentist, are always absolutely amazed by this technology. And although 3D printing is not a new technology, lots of people are not familiar with it and don't use it in their everyday life, and they're always amazed by the model, the accuracy of producing a model of the jaw and producing a surgical guide completely digitally. Dentists are always amazed by it. They're also very impressed by the transparency of the material, the rigidity of the material, and the finish of the material. We have to do almost no finishing of this end product which is supplied to the dentist. By having an Object 3D printer in-house, we can have a very, very short turnaround time, more than any other company in this field. And it's very important for us to have a machine which is reliable and a company that we have good service from, because we can't afford not to give the ultimate service to our customers and supply the guides within a very short time.
Since we have introduced this combined software and object 3D printer, we have managed to see a great growth in our sales. We had been extremely impressed with the kind of cooperation we are getting from Object, and honestly speaking, we had no hassles whatsoever with the printer. and the service was great. I really believe that we're going to have a great future together in the coming years ahead of us.